Welcome back to another KLIM product walkthrough. I'm Lucas Eddy, and today we're going to be looking at the all-new XC Pro off-road kit. We have Ben here wearing the XC Pro. There's a bunch of cool stuff going on here. This is a brand new kit for us, brand new solution for that off-road riding segment where you're looking for mobility and durability. So if you know, we have our Dakar, which is focused on kind of versatility and durability, Mojave focused on airflow and durability, XC Lite focused on airflow and mobility. This one, the XC Pro, is focused on durability and flexibility. So let's take a look at how we achieved this here. We'll start with the jersey. There's a bunch of cool stuff going on here. So first things first, these black panels, these are two-way stretch, kind of durable nylon panels. So the bottom panel here doesn't stretch in this direction, but it will stretch in that direction, around your elbow pads, around your elbows when you're moving like this. The top panels here, these will stretch downwards. See how stretchy that is? So that's going around your shoulders, around your shoulder pads, but they don't need to stretch in this front to back direction. So we've got durable panels here in the black, which you see on the shoulders and elbows. And then in the middle here, this blue material, it's also on the back if you want to spin around there, Ben. And on the backs of the arms. This is a burr cooling material here, laser perforated. So we get some holes for some airflow there. You can go ahead and spin back to the front. And this is a cooling material, like I said, with the burr chemical-free cooling fabric woven in there. So you get some cooling there, some moisture wicking, and then for even more cooling, it's these red panels in the armpits and the sides here. This is also a burr material, and you can compare this to what's in our Aggressor Negative 1.0, base layers, pants, boxers, shirts, long sleeve shirts. So same material there. It's a really nice cooling material. So is this a hot weather focused jersey? No, it's a mobility and durability focused jersey, particularly with a big focus on that flexibility, like I keep saying. But we're still doing these things to improve that warm weather comfort, that warm weather temperature control. And then one more thing here on the jersey, we're trying to keep everything super streamlined, super mobile, super kind of lightweight and flexible. So take a look here at the cuffs. These cuffs aren't stitched, they're actually bonded. So there's no extra material, no lining around the cuff there. So we're keeping that nice and lightweight. And the seams here inside the whole jersey are super low profile as well. Okay, now let's jump to the glove really quick. You can go ahead and keep your hand up there. You can see we got this TPR padding right here. A little bit of knuckle protection. Four-way stretch backhand, so it flexes around your hand. You can show how much it moves there, Ben. So we're getting some protection from roost, some protection from tree whip, but we're not going as heavy duty as the Dakar, not quite as heavy duty as the Mojave, a little bit more, I would say, than the XC Lite. Those two are kind of comparable. It's a little bit of a different pattern, but this has a bit more protection than the XC Lite. And now moving to the palm side of the glove, you can see all these perforations right here. Lots of really good airflow through this, and also zero stitching on the palm. This is a AX Suede synthetic leather here, so really low profile, really easy to grip the bars, gonna reduce those blisters, give you some good feedback on the bars, and then this conductive stitching here on the fingertips to use your phone. And then in between the gloves and the fingers here, we've got this LYCRA material here, nice and stretchy, moisture wicking, super lightweight, keeps you comfortable. So this is really a racing oriented glove. That's where we kind of started looking at the drawing board when we made this. We're going to have a racing oriented glove that's also going to work for trail riding and other off-road riding like enduro cross and stuff like that. Okay, now the real meat of the matter here, the really exciting part is the pants. So let's check those out. And I'll show you a couple things on these pants I'm holding here, but you can see right away, really streamlined design, really clean lines. We've got laser perforations here in the front and around the back if you want to spin around. Get you some airflow through this material. This is also a highly stretchy material. Now, while we're back here, here's how we get some durability. This gridded material on the seat, and if you want to spin around to the front, and on the front of the knees right there, this is a Vectran fiber fabric, which if you know our motorcycle line, we use a Vectran fiber fabric in the famous Badlands Pro A3, which is a highly, highly street durable adventure piece. We also use Vectran fabric in our LYCRA 5, which was a limited edition one piece on the snow side. So that fabric is extremely durable, but it stays really lightweight because we can make it thin enough to not have a bunch of extra bulk. So we'll kind of look inside these pants and see how that's accomplished, but let's keep working on this outside right here. You guys know the pocket in the XC Lite, everybody loves that. We keep it right here. Nice easy pocket, drop your phone in there, put your snacks, your energy gels, whatever. Put your stuff in the pocket, super easy to access. Our standard adjustment features on the top there. Cinch it up, you don't have to wear a belt, obviously. I know I mentioned the laser cut perforations before. We also have some mesh inside the pant for some more airflow. So if you want to spin around there, Ben, we've got mesh all around the tops of the boots there, around the back of your calves, and you guys can't see it because he's standing, but I'll show you on these pants. There's mesh on the inside of the knee all throughout the crotch as well, so we get some airflow through that area. And while we're here, we can also see that leather inside the knee. That's going to help you grip on the bike, give you some good feedback against the bike, give you some good grip, not going to slide around that much, and of course it's durable. So now let's jump to the inside of the pants here, which, Ben, you can turn back around. The inside of the pants here have a lot of cool stuff going on. First things first, seam tape the seams. So if you're wearing just knee braces and some underwear and you don't have a lot of other layers going on underneath your pants, this will help keep up that comfort, keep you from having seams chafing. Really, really clean inside design here. Nothing to snag on, like if your knee braces have Velcro, not going to snag on the threads here. And then we also protect, this is the inside of the knee, we also protect the Vectran fabric on the backside with some taffeta here. And then inside the knee here, where the leather's on the outside and your knee braces are on the inside, and they're putting a bunch of pressure and abrasive force against the bike, we've got this 840D nylon material in here to protect that leather and give you some more durability against your knee braces as well. And then about the same concept here on the seat. I don't know if you can see that, but this mesh line material here is against the Vectran on this seat, so give you a little more comfort there against the seat. And this is actually a gridded TPU backer against this Vectran fabric, which maintains that breathability, because you might know some of our other off-road pants have a full backer here that doesn't allow breathability right through the seat. This is gridded, so it still allows that breathability, but we also maintain that strength against the fabric to prevent tears from spreading, prevent tears from the inside, and that kind of abrasion from damaging the fabric. So we kind of accomplish both things at once, and our materials team has been working for a long time how to really make that happen. So as you can see, this is a super, super streamlined pant. If you were to weigh these like a size 34 for a size 34 with an XC Light, I believe these actually come in a little bit lighter than those. So they're more durable, but technically lighter than the XC Light. So we can see how you might get a bit confused about that, but believe me, these are super low profile, super lightweight, but still mobile and stretchy and durable. So we're super stoked on how these pants perform in desert racing scenarios, enduro cross, GNCC, cross-country racing, sprint enduros, trail riding even. We love how these lightweight pants perform in those conditions. If you guys have any questions, let us know in the comments. Find us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, all the social medias. We are on there. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.